Well, that was a look at what's to come. Let's talk about what the conditions are like across the southern U.S. right now. First of all, starting with how temperatures have dropped for most of us over the last 24 hours by 15 degrees in Austin, 12 in San Antonio, a little less dramatic than Dallas and Houston, but we did see a cold front move through, and it's reflected in our temperatures. Right now, we're at 70 in Dallas, 67 there in Austin and Oklahoma City. So relatively mild, but definitely cooler than where we were just yesterday. The same situation in the southeast. Over the last 24 hours, we've dropped by 13 degrees there in Nashville. Less dramatic across much of the rest of the southeast. 5 in Montgomery, 7 degrees in Atlanta, which means that temperatures right now are in the 60s and the 70s. 66 for Nashville. We were quite warm yesterday for this time of year, well above our historical average. Now we're closer to where we should be this time of year. We're in the 70s for Atlanta, Montgomery, Jacksonville, and all the way down to Miami. We're actually in the 80s. We stay dry come tomorrow. Some mild conditions out ahead of that potential severe weather that comes in next week. We're warmer come Saturday. We do have a cool down coming up, though. Sunday, we're going to have a cold front move through once again. We drop in Atlanta from the 70s to the 50s come Sunday. Even Jacksonville, you stay in the 70s, but you're still going from the upper 70s to the low 70s from Saturday to some clouds, but hey, we can deal with that, right? Now, one thing to keep in mind, we do still have some wind advisories out for everywhere, highlighted in purple here into Southern California and even into other parts of the Southwest as well. These are set to expire just in the next couple of hours, but a reminder that we do still have some of the stronger wind gusts hanging on in some areas. We've had a Santa Ana wind event going on yesterday and into today. Now, we have seen wind calm down in places like Los Angeles, Santa Ana. Still a little bit on the stronger side in Palmdale at 22. On the lower side there in San Diego, 6-mile-per-hour wind speeds right now. So just keep in mind, you still could be a little bit of elevated fire risk. Taking a look at temperatures right now, we are definitely warmer than we should be for a lot of us in the 80s. That's more like summer weather, right? This is not late February. It's not going to last. This is just a kind of one-day thing. Come tomorrow, the pattern is going to change. We get cooler, and we even are going to have some scattered showers. We'll take it, right? We need the rainfall, tamp down that elevated fire risk that we've had the last couple of days, and help with any kind of drought conditions and things like that. Let's take a look at future radar. Scattered is the name of the game here, right? We're seeing just a few showers pop up Friday evening. This is a look at 6:30 between Fresno and LA. We'll continue to see some scattered showers, some scattered snowfall at higher elevations here, but this is not the main rain event that is coming up, right? That's going to come in right here. You can already see this next storm right off the coast, Saturday, 9:30 p.m. It's going to start to move in as we head into Sunday. Let's take a look at your temperatures for tomorrow first, though, because, like I mentioned, we're going to cool down. It is not going to be warmer than we should be for the next couple of days. LA, for example, you're just a few degrees above your historical average come tomorrow. You should be in the mid-60s. You're going to be in the upper 60s. Quite the cool down from that 84 future radar late Saturday night into Sunday. This is a much bigger rain producer stretching all the way from Portland down to San Diego. We'll have snow levels falling down into our mountains.